Hello everyone, my name is Steven. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks in terms of references and maybe do some research in Office 2007 to 2016, including Office 365. So it doesn't matter if you're using a little bit older version of Office or if you're running the latest and greatest, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you something that's going to make your life maybe easier, especially if you're in college, high school, maybe even if your job requires you to do research papers. Maybe it's looking up something for the job, maybe it's a part manufacturer, something like that, and you need a type of paper on that developer, whoever it might be. So you go to references, and first thing you're going to notice probably this section right here where it says insert citation, manage sources, the style, and bibliography. What this means is, let's say I already have a couple sources like I do already in here. I can go through here and select what sources are relevant to me. For the sake of argument, we're going to say encyclopedia. I need that one for this essay, as well as full disk encryption. That's awesome. But I'll show you how we add those in. If you go to insert citation and add new source, you're going to notice book section, article, website, document. It could be anything. It can even be an interview in case you have an interview with someone, or it could also be a patent that you're referencing as well in case you're working on developing the next fusion reactor or something like that. If I click all bibliography fields, it's going to show me everything I could put in here, whether it's the author, the title, also state and / province, country, region, pages I've used, etc., things like that. For the sake of we're just going to run with the basics here. We're going to say my name is Steven, as I said it was earlier. I'm going to say the title is Tricks in Word, and the year was published is 16. City is going to be Washington, D.C. And let's say we don't know the publisher, that's fine. You hit OK, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that in properly. You guys know Steven, and the year it was published. And I can also switch it over to MLA in case, or Chicago, Harvard, whatever it might be. Not an issue right there. Pretty cool, right? Now let's say we go to research. Say we want to do some research now. We want to say, hey, we do some research. We're going to pop up a couple things right here. I could also search for different things, whether it's the nuclear fusion, or maybe it's just internet security. Let's go with that. Let's say internet security, and it's going to say, oh, hey, what are you looking for? Let's see here. What do we got? This is all through Bing, mind you. Right now, I don't really like anything, so I'm seeing, so we're just going to go ahead with the wind power one. Why not? I can actually add in headings for different sections. It makes it great for doing outlines, or maybe your pre-write before you start writing it down. Makes life really, really easy. You notice I just started 3 headings that are really easy. And I'll say, One Power New York, I say I want this section right here. Now, this might be in Wikipedia. We don't necessarily use Wikipedia for everything, but for right this second, this works. I can highlight this. It's going to say add or add in cite. Add in cite automatically does my citations for me, as well as takes that section out and puts it right into my document or into my wherever it might be. Makes it life really, really easy personally. Now you're like, oh hey, you have all this wonderful searching, all this citations. How do I make a bibliography for that? Oh hey, you click bibliography, you can notice, hey, here's everything I've referenced so far that's in my sources. Everything I put in my source list is automatically inserted in there, or whether it's references, or even if it's works cited. I can do all 3 of those. Now, if I add more sources, say I add in this right here. Scroll down a little bit, add in cite. Oh, hey. Actually, that's the same one that we already inserted. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that guy real quick. Sorry about that, everyone. Let's go ahead and get rid of everything. Bibliography. So that's right there, our bibliography. Pretty easy, right? We're going to say, oh, hey, I want this renewables. We want wherever this is right here. This seems like it's really good for our research project. I'm going to highlight that all, add in cite. You're like, hey, wait a second. That's already in there. If I go down here and hit update, if I add a new source, it will automatically update the source for us. If I didn't, in this case, I did not add any new sources. So it makes life really, really easy, especially for those college students who've always struggled with it, or even for high school students, because high school students, hate to break it to you, you're already going to be doing research projects eventually. This makes life really easy for you.